In this video I am going to show you how to cancel an order on Glovo. If you cancel order but cancellation fees may apply. For food related orders, you will be charged an amount depending on the following factor. Number 1. If the store has already accepted and started to prepare your order, you will be charged the price of the products. Number 2. If a courier has already been assigned to your order, you will be charged a cancellation fees. Number 2. If the store has already accepted and started to prepare your order and a courier has been assigned to deliver it, you will be charged the price of the product and a cancellation fees. Number 4. If the courier reaches the delivery area and finalizes the order, you will be charged the price of the product and the delivery fee. Please bear in mind, food related orders cannot be returned. For non-food related orders, you can cancel an order free of charge up until a courier accepts your request. However, if you cancel after a courier has been assigned to your order, you will be charged the total cost of the basic delivery service. If a courier has already picked up the order or is couriering at the time of cancellation, you can ask the courier if it is possible to return the product. If this happens, you will still have to pay the full price of the product and delivery fee, as well as the cost of the return service. If the courier is able to return the product, the value of the product will be returned back to you. To clarify, you will be charged for the total cost of the delivery service, including the cost of the product and delivery fee and return service. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.